7 Epic AI Life Hacks to Dominate 2025. Number SETHJTV. Hey, hustlers! Ready to crush 2025 with AI? I'm Seth, and I've got 7 epic life hacks using ChatGPT, Grok, and Midjourney. Stick around, there's a bonus to skyrocket your grind. Hit like now, subscribe, and let's dive in. Hack number 1, Auto Task Scheduler. Too many to-dos? Tell Grok, schedule my week for fitness and work with breaks. Instant plan, 3 hours saved last week. What's your task headache? Comment below and keep watching. Hack number 2, Instant Video Scripts. Need content fast? Ask ChatGPT, write a 2-minute script for gaming with hooks. My last video hit 5,000 views. What's your next idea? Like if you're trying this, next hack's coming. Hack number 3, Smart Note Taker. Missing meeting points? Use Otter.ai, extract action items from this meeting. Saved 4 hours this month. Tag a friend, stay tuned for more. Hack number 4, Custom Workout Generator. No gym plan? Claude AI, design a 30-day strength plan for beginners. Gain muscle in weeks. Share your goal, next hack's a game changer. Hack number 5, Rapid Design Mockups. Need visuals? Midjourney, create a logo for a tech brand in bold style. Landed a client last week. What's your project? Like and keep going. Hack number 6, Auto Reply Genius. Sick of messages? Prompt Grok, craft 3 pro replies for a busy schedule. Cut my replies in half. What's your toughest reply? Comment, next one's big. Hack number 7, Trend Predictor. Lost on trends? ChatGPT, predict 2025 social media trends for fitness. Boosted my strategy. What trend are you chasing? Stay for the bonus. Bonus hack, Side Hustle Blueprint. Want cash? Prompt, outline a $3,000 per month online course using AI tools. Launch today, subscribe for the full guide next week. Which hack number? Comment. Like, subscribe, share. Which hack are you trying? Drop the number below, I'll reply. If this fired you up, like, subscribe for 2025 wins, and share. See you next time, stay epic.